Hello everyone. Quick note before the video starts, I apologize for the lack of quality in my sound in this video due to my allergies and also my microphone. It wasn't very good. I will try to make the sound a lot better in future videos, kind of like right now, because right now I'm using my microphone headset mic, So if you can just bear with this first video and its crappy sound, I would really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy. I don't know, but I've been told.
Growing old is really bold.
Walking through flowers of gold. Yeah, nailed it. My name is... crap. Oh, geez, it didn't let me rename my character? Okay, that's fine. Whatever.
You don't get a name.
Last time I named her Els, because those were like the first 4 letters in one of them. Whatever. Walk. This is my second run reset after a neutral run because I accidentally killed someone. Oh look, it's this a-hole. Oh, he remembers me. Oh. Holy crap.
Do not be afraid, I am Toriel, caretaker of the rooms. I pass through here every day to see if anyone has fallen down.
I fell on my butt.
You are the first human to come here in a long time.
I have a manly voice when I say certain words.
I will do my best to protect you during your time here.
Time.
Come, I shall guide you through the catacombs.
And I shall draw plenty of smut about you and... what? I didn't say that. Oh, I can walk now. Why is it still playing her music? My nose itches from the inside. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, like a thing. It's my save file. I can't believe I have to play the whole thing again. Wait a minute. It'd be weird though, because some of the characters are gonna be like, I remember who you are. Well, I don't think Toriel remembers who we are.
Allow me to educate you on how to access something.
I can't breathe! I'm kind of zoned out because I already know how to do this. I can press buttons with my butt. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. I pressed the button! No, I didn't. Press Z to read signs. Okay, press Z to read signs. What if I don't know how to press Z? How is this sign supposed to tell me how to press Z to read it?
Have a Z key?
What if the up key is wrecked like this one is? Follow the yellow brick road. I'm yellower than this road is. Huh. Hey, Toriel. I know who you like. Hey, Toriel. Oh, you're talking, okay. I won't interrupt you then. Oh crap, I just did. Oh yeah. Watch this, honey. I'm a master of talking to people. Oops, crap. Sup. Oh, okay, that was it. You are very good. I am very good indeed. Can I solve it? I don't know. Hey, Toriel. Hey, wait. Stop walking. I want to say something to you. Stop it. Fine, be that way. Stop running away from me. You can't escape me. Hey, Frogget. I'm sorry for accidentally killing you last time. I'm gonna compliment you this time. Because you're nice. She looks at it like, go away. I don't like you.
I know what you've done last time.
You feel your sins crawling down your back. The western room is the eastern room's blueprint? Okay. I don't know what that means exactly. I'm kinda glad there's nothing else like this in the game. Tutorial move. Well, at least she's not running away from me anymore. Okay, I just want to say, I was on Tumblr earlier and I saw some really weird stuff about you. Is it true? Yeah, of course not. Pretty sure it is. Who am I talking to? I don't know. Flowey. Who are you anyway?
Everyone.
Everyone. I'm Frisk.
And no one.
You are the Mega Fluffy. Haha, you can't say your name.
No.
Oh no! I'm lost! I don't know what to do with myself! What's this? Why is the music all scary? What the freak?
Hey, you're a tiny child left all alone.
How do you know I'm a child? For all you know, I'm a midget. I'm a midget. I'm 50 years old.
But you're still left all alone.
What would you do? What would you do if you were left all alone?
Walk down the hallway. There's no else to do. The hallway.
You're a hallway. Run! Her music is so sad though. I am independent woman. I say woman because I'm a girl, so yeah. I don't know what Frisk is, but I think she's a girl. I interpret things. Ring ring! Hello, I called you 2 seconds after you left. You know that if you actually stay in that room like she told you to, she'll actually call you after long periods of time and say things like, my dog took my cell phone. But when you walk in here, apparently her dog didn't take her cell phone.
Aww.
Simba? What are you doing? Get off.
Simba!
This is probably wrecking my microphone right now. Simba! No, go away. I am sorry. I cannot be with you anymore. Yay! Oh no. Hi, Frogget. I thought you were over there. Psych. Blushes deeply. Cute. That's adorable. What's in here? Wait. Which way should I go? Oh, okay. I'll only take one piece of candy this time, because I'm not a jerk.
This time.
Actually, I'm really greedy. Last time I took all of it. Come to think of it, maybe I should go back and take all of it, because I'm gonna die.
No, just take one.
No! Don't do this to me! Oh, look. Run away! How many Froggets? Ah! You cannot beat me this time. Ah! You win this round.
Yes, man.
Oh! I picked cinnamon last time. Also, I get to see like how much of the world remembers me, so I have to check everything. Ah, Simba! Stop. Oh, wait. I got this. I'm gonna spare you already. Oh crap, I didn't get any gold. Fine. Don't give me any money. I was only being nice. Oh yeah, this thing. Okay, let's see if I can remember it. All the way down. 1. All the way up. 2. All the way down. All the way over here. I did it! Yay!
It's like you've played this before.
Oh my goodness, it's like they know. Hey guys. My nose. Help! I'm dying! Woo! Whoa there, partner!
Whoa there, partner! Who said you could push me around? You're asking me to move over?
Move your bouquet.
Okay, just for you, pumpkin.
Aw, I'm a pumpkin.
You want me to move some more? Alrighty, how's this?
Hey.
That was the wrong direction? Okay, I think I got it.
I like how there's 2 spaces, so it was supposed to say I think I got it, but there was a typo. I got your game, Toby.
Was that helpful?
You're not. Oh my goodness.
You wanted me to stay there? You're giving me a real workout.
I'm gonna blow my nose.
Now we're just standing here as someone blows their nose because they got to see it.
This message has been brought to you by Starr's Allergies. Please buy my gold. Wait, that doesn't make sense. Determination!
Squeak.
It makes squeaky noises. Everything is stuck to the table in this game. There is not a table in sight that you can pick anything up off of. I love Napstabluke.
I'll just weigh you down.
He's pretending to sleep, okay. Really not up for it right now, sorry. It's like a jazz version of the Spider song, I like it. Aww. F yes, I like it. Oh, I'm rambling again. I'll just get out of your way. Oh no, he faded into...
Leaves! He was always leaves.
Oh yeah, that makes so. That's good. I need some spider pastries. Good. All proceeds go to real spiders. I don't know why I find that so adorable. Oh dang, I only have 8 gold, so I can only get 1 donut. Oh well. 18 gold, what? 18 or 8. Or 7, whatever. Okay. My eye itches. Ah, my breasts. I didn't mean to say that, but seriously, my chest was hurting. Ah. Ribbit, ribbit. Okay, this is just telling me how to do stuff. Okay. Alright. What are you doing, honey?
Ring, ring.
Oh.
Hello. I just realized that it has been a while since I've cleaned up. I was not expecting to have company so soon. There are probably a lot of things lying about here and there. You can pick them up, but do not carry more than you need.
I need everything.
Someday, you might see something you really like.
Oh my, I will.
There will be room in your pockets for that.
I don't know if sands can fit in my pockets. I mean, what? Okay. Well, small's already done. I don't care! What?
Using your time limit, madam.
I don't know when the time limit ends. Help!
You got 1 minute now. Sweet.
Oh. He's so cute. Flowers.
And I do believe that will be the end of this run, madam.
Before I talk to this, I think it's an enemy, I forgot, so I'm gonna, like, heal myself. Yay! Sup. What do you mean this is the end of the run? I'm gonna devour you! I kinda wanna know what that does. I tried to eat him, but he wasn't weakened enough. Part of a complete breakfast!
Just try to eat somebody.
It doesn't count as killing them. See, he wants to be eaten. Woo, I win!
You did it.
I done it!
That's the end of the first episode, everyone. Thank you very much, and we will see you next time.
First
Ta-ta.
it says, blank face.
That was dumb.
Ta-ta. You're dumb. Look at her face. Isn't it adorable?
It's always blank.
Yeah.
2 lines in a line. It's 3
It's
lines.
3 lines.
It could be a triangle.
She is a triangle.
Illuminati confirmed.
What did I confirm? Dun, dun, dun.
Bye.